If you're watching this, then I want you to get comfortable because this isn't hype. This isn't motivation that you forget about tomorrow. This is about intention. We are not about to waste the precious remaining days of 2025. Not drifting, not surviving, not repeating the same patterns with a new calendar. 2026 doesn't need a louder version of you. It needs a clearer, more disciplined, more self-led version of you. So today, I'm walking you through exactly how to make 2026 your best year ever by learning how to lead yourself first, your mindset, your habits, your goals, your identity. This is a rebrand internally first. Let's get this clear. You cannot lead your life, your career, your relationships, or anyone else if you don't know how to hold yourself accountable. Leadership isn't about titles, it's about what you do when no one's watching. Ask yourself, do I keep promises to myself? Do I follow through when motivation fades? Do I take responsibility or do I explain things away? 2026 belongs to people who stop outsourcing responsibility. No more, I'll start when things calm down. No more waiting for confidence. You lead yourself by choosing consistency over comfort. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Motivation is optional, but discipline is essential. Discipline is not punishment, it's structure that supports the life you say you want. In 2026, discipline looks like waking up with intention, not urgency, creating routines that work on busy days, doing the boring things consistently. Start small. Pick one non-negotiable habit, attach it to an existing routine, track it simply. No perfection, just presence. Discipline builds trust with yourself, and self-trust builds confidence. A lot of people chase success and abandon themselves in the process. In 2026, we are not doing that. Leading yourself means showing up for your personal life too. Your mental health, your energy, your boundaries, your relationships. You don't need more hours, you need better priorities. So protect your mornings, create space to reset your nervous system. Schedule rest like it matters because it does. A regulated, rested version of you always makes better decisions. Most goals fail because they are unrealistic or disconnected from real life. Here's a simple step-by-step way to set goals that stick in 2026. Step 1. Define who you're becoming, not what you want, who you're becoming. Your habits should support your identity. Step 2. Set fewer goals, not more than 1 to 3 meaningful goals per area of life is enough. Step 3. Break goals into systems. Ask yourself, what does this require daily or weekly? Step 4. Most require consistency, not perfection. Progress beats intensity every time. Goals stick when they fit your life, not just when they look good on paper. A real rebrand doesn't start with aesthetics, it starts with standards, new boundaries, new routines, new self talk, new expectations of yourself. You don't announce this version, you become them quietly, consistently, daily. 2026 will reward the people who prepare, not the people who wait. Lead yourself, build discipline, create systems, honor your growth. And remember, you don't need to become someone new, you need to fully step into who you already are. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. If you stayed to the end, congratulations! You're already one step closer to making 2026 your dream year. I really hope you found this useful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe so we can keep growing together, and comment your thoughts below. I genuinely read them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!